Hello everyone, welcome back to Auto Trend TV. This is Viprajesh. Volkswagen India has finally launched the Volkswagen Taygun mid-size 5-seat SUV starting from Rs 10.49 lakh ex-showroom. The Taygun is officially the first product as a part of the Volkswagen India 2.0 strategy, previewing other future Volkswagen cars for India. The Volkswagen Taygun is based on the very same MQB A0 India-specific platform, which also underpins the Škoda Kushaq. Despite sharing a lot of features, technology, engine and transmission options also, the Volkswagen Taygun is significantly distinctive compared to the Škoda Kushaq. Be it on the exterior or interior, the Volkswagen Taygun is nowhere similar to the Škoda Kushaq, and the Volkswagen Taygun definitely offers more features compared to the Škoda Kushaq's top-spec variants. The new Volkswagen Taygun mid-size 5-seat SUV is available in 7 variants, categorized into 2 different variant lineups. The dynamic line consists of 5 variants, offering the 1-litre 3-cylinder TSI turbocharged petrol engine with the 6-speed manual transmission as standard. The base-level comfort line variant is priced at Rs 10.49 lakh ex-showroom and will still offer standard features such as infinity LED tail lamps, functional roof rails which can withstand up to 50 kilos, chrome detailing on the front and rear, silver finished skid plates on the front and rear, a 7-inch touchscreen system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, all 4 power windows, electronically adjustable ORVMs, remote central locking, a height adjustable driver seat, rear adjustable headrests, rear AC vents, along with standard safety features such as dual airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, multi-collision braking, reverse parking sensors, and ISOFIX child seat mounts. The second level variant is known as the Highline, priced at Rs 12.79 lakh ex-showroom, offering features such as 16-inch alloy wheels, front fog lamps, rear windshield wiper washer with defogger, reverse parking camera, dual-tone interior theme, the large 10.25-inch touchscreen system, wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchscreen-based Climatronic automatic climate control, and the front and rear armrests. The Highline 6-speed automatic variant is priced at Rs 14.09 lakh ex-showroom. Volkswagen India has introduced a new top-line variant for the dynamic line, offering all features including LED headlamps, LED DRLs, 17-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, smart key access with push-button start, electric sunroof, leatherette upholstery, front ventilated seats, an 8-inch digital cockpit instrument cluster, tire pressure deflation warning, along with all safety features including 6 airbags, hill hold assist, while also offering cruise control, automatic headlamps and automatic wipers. This 1-litre TSI top-line variant is priced at Rs 14.56 lakh for the manual variant and Rs 15.9 lakh for the top-line automatic variant. The second category of variants includes the performance line, offering only 2 variants, namely the GT and the GT Plus. However, the GT variant comes with only the 6-speed manual gearbox, while the GT Plus variant is available only with the 7-speed DSG automatic. The GT manual variant comes with 16-inch alloy wheels, GT badging on the exterior, front fog lamps, reverse parking camera, chrome detailing on the grille, the large 10-inch touchscreen system with wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wireless smartphone charging facility, Climatronic automatic AC, along with front and rear armrests. The 1.5-litre GT manual variant is priced at Rs 14.99 lakh ex-showroom. Now comes the top-of-the-line GT Plus variant, which comes with only the 7-speed DSG automatic. This variant offers red brake calipers, 17-inch dual-tone alloy wheels, dual-tone contrast roof color, electric sunroof, aluminium finished pedals, the 8-inch virtual cockpit digital instrument cluster, and leatherette upholstery. This flagship GT Plus variant is priced at Rs 17.49 lakh ex-showroom. It is only these GT performance line variants which get 2 specific interior color options, including a glossy Amur grey theme or a glossy dark red theme. That said, weirdly, none of the GT variants offer ventilated seats. So, summing it all up, the Volkswagen Taygun range starts from Rs 10.49 lakh for the 1-litre manual base variant, going up to Rs 14.99 lakh for the 1.5-litre manual GT variant, while the automatic range starts from Rs 14.09 lakh for the Highline automatic variant, with the 1-litre TSI petrol engine going all the way up to Rs 17.49 lakh ex-showroom for the top-spec GT Plus DSG 1.5 variant. Now let's talk about the engine options in detail. The 1-litre 3-cylinder TSI petrol engine available on the dynamic line variants produces 115 PS of maximum power and 178 Nm of maximum torque through either a 6-speed manual gearbox or a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission. The performance line GT variants, on the other hand, are available only with the 1.5-litre TSI Evo petrol engine with active cylinder deactivation, producing 150 PS of maximum power and 250 Nm of maximum torque through either a 6-speed manual gearbox or a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This 1.5-litre TSI Evo petrol engine comes with active cylinder deactivation technology and automatic start-stop function. Apart from the launch of the Volkswagen Taygun, Volkswagen India has also announced a never-before-seen warranty package, along with service value packages for the Volkswagen Tiguan. As standard, the Volkswagen Tiguan comes with a 4-year or 1 lakh kilometer warranty with 4 years of roadside assistance and 3 free services. However, for an extra rupees 11,999, the warranty can be extended up to the 7th year or up to 1,50,000 kilometers. The service value package for the 1-litre manual variant of the Volkswagen Tiguan costs rupees 21,999 for 4 years. For the 1-litre automatic variants, the package is at rupees 27,999 for 4 years. However, for the 1.5-litre manual or automatic GT variants, the service value package for 4 years is priced at rupees 23,999 only. These service value packages and the extended warranty packages aim to provide better peace of mind and lower ownership costs of the Volkswagen Tiguan in India. And yes, as we all know, the Volkswagen Tiguan is here to compete against the likes of the Hyundai Creta, Kia Seltos, Skoda Kodiaq, and the new MG Aster. Stay tuned for our detailed reviews on all variants of the new Volkswagen Tiguan midsize SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.